Hello, this is Ryan Zakos with Zakos Realty and Design Group. It is now time for the Real Estate Minute. First, interest rates. Interest rates fell to a historical low on the 30-year fixed mortgage. They fell 4 basis points to 3.1%. As for the 15-year fixed, they fell again to 5 basis points to 2.56. As always, there are 7 elements that make up your mortgage interest rate. That is your credit score, your down payment, property location, the loan amount and the closing costs, the loan type, the loan term, and the interest rate type. Current market. What is the current market? It is a seller's market. Inventory is still super low. Because of the historically low mortgage interest rates, buyers are gobbling it up. What are trends that we're seeing in the current market? It is buyers, buyers, buyers. Because interest rates are so low, first-time home buyers that were on the fence are now making that decision to purchase, as well as investors, the other side of the spectrum. A lot of investors that had that 20-25% down, they didn't know what to do with it, are now, because money is so cheap, being interest rates are so low, they are deciding to make that move and purchase that home or duplex or investment property of any kind. Need to know. Again, I'm going to reiterate what I talked about last week. Multiple offer situations. I've personally gotten to multiple offer situations this week in working with buyers, and you have to know that the price does not always win the deal. There are many other contingencies that throughout the contract that we can play, that what's inspection period, waiving the appraisal if it's cash, all that kind of stuff. So there are many things that we can do to put your offer ahead of the person next to you, as well as even a simple letter to the seller. We did that with a buyer this week. I believe it worked. We ended up getting the house. But remember, it is not always the price that wins the deal. So if you have any questions or any tips or tricks that you would like to know, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'm here. Thank you.